Greetings from Lake Royer at Fort Ritchie in Cascade, Maryland. My name's Buck Browning. I'm the director of the Fort Ritchie Community Center, and I'm on the lake today to talk about the Fort Ritchie Community Center. We have a wonderful matching gift initiative where we have some donors who said, if you can raise $5,000, we'll give you $5,000. And in addition to that, we have 2 county commissioners from Washington County who have agreed to take a plunge and jump in Lake Royer if we can raise that amount of money and hopefully surpass that amount of money. Now, I don't know the exact temperature today, but it's cold. This water is very, very cold, and in December, it's going to be even colder. So please visit our website today and make your donation so we can get the commissioners in the lake.